Dear students, very good morning. In my last class, classification of elements into blocks, S block, P block completed, D block. What are the D block elements? If the differentiating electron enter into d orbital of penultimate orbit, then the element belongs to D block elements. General electronic configuration NS1 to 2, N-1, D1 to 10. Okay. All D block elements are transition elements except second B group element. Second B group element is not transition elements. Transition elements means either elementary state or corresponding its ionic state required partially filled d orbitals. All D block elements are solids except mercury. D block elements are hard metals and they have high melting point and boiling point. D block elements used as catalyst due to large surface area. D block elements can form complex compounds. D block elements exhibit variable oxidation state due to less energy difference between Ns and N-1d energy levels. Okay. Next. Okay now. Okay, dear students. Okay now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So next after that, D block elements exhibit colors. D block elements exhibit colors due to DD transition. Electron transfer from one d orbital to another d orbital. That is the DD transition. Means any unpaired electron is there in the d orbital exhibit color, and paramagnetic also. So listen, my dear students. If any unpaired electron is there, paramagnetic, its magnetic moment. Magnetic moment formula. Magnetic moment mu, which is equal to square root of n into n plus 2 Bohr magneton. N into n plus 2 Bohr magneton, Bm. Bohr magneton, where n equal to number of unpaired electron. Bohr magneton. One Bohr magneton, which is equal to EH upon 4 pi mc. Its value, if you substitute these all values, 9.27 into 10 power of minus 24 Joule per Tesla. Okay. Where n equal to number of unpaired electron. So number of unpaired electron, its magnetic moment mu. Number of unpaired electron, its magnetic moment mu. Number of unpaired electron 0, its magnetic moment 0. Number of unpaired electron 1. 0 into 0 plus 2. 0 into anything 0. Number of unpaired electron 1. Square root of 1 into 1 plus 2. Root 3. Root 3 value 1.732 Bohr magnet. Okay. Next. Number of unpaired electrons are 2. 2 into 2 plus 2. Root 8. Understood? Number of unpaired electrons are 2. 2 into 2 plus 2. Root 8. Root 8 value 2.83 Bohr magneton. Number of unpaired electrons are 3. 3 into 3 plus 2. 3 into 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2, 5. 3, 5 is the root 15. Root 15 value 3.87. Number of unpaired electron 4. 4 into 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2, 6. 4, 6 is the root 24. 4.90. Okay. 4.89 actually. Okay, roughly. 4.89. Number of unpaired electrons are 5. 5 into 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. 5 7 is 35. Root 35. Its value is 5.90 Bohr magneton. Please write down, dear students. Please write down. Okay now? Any doubt? Srishti, understood?
Yes, sir.
Next. Shall I repeat?
No, sir.
For example, iron 3 plus. Iron 3 plus is given. Sir, how to solve the question? Iron 3 plus. Listen, my dear students. Iron atomic number 26. Iron atomic number 26. Configuration. What is the configuration of iron? Argon core 4s2 3d6. Argon core 4s2 3d6. Iron plus 3. Sorry, iron. Iron argon core 4s2 3d6. Iron 3 plus Fe3 plus lose 3 electrons. Lose 3 electron argon. 2 electron from 4s, remaining 1 electron from 3d. Because of it should be lose 3 electrons. 2 electron from 4s, then 4h0, here 1 electron, then 3d5. 4h0, 3d5. 5 unpaired electrons. 5 unpaired electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 unpaired electrons. So number of unpaired electrons are 5. Number of unpaired electrons are 5. Okay. Number of unpaired electrons are 5. Is it diamagnetic or paramagnetic? Unpaired electrons are there. Paramagnetic and exhibit color. And exhibit color. Any doubt? Then what is the magnetic moment? Magnetic moment. अरे 5 unpaired electrons है तो magnetic moment बताओ.
5.90.
5.90.
5.90 directly. Otherwise, same calculation. Magnetic moment mu equal to square root of n into n plus 2 Bohr magneton. Then root over 5 into 5 plus 2. 5 into 7. Root 35. 5.90 Bohr magneton. Okay, now? Main configuration. Without no configuration, we could not solve any question. Okay, dear students. Shall I give example? One more example. I will give 2 example. Please solve now only. Titanium plus 4. Please do it, dear students. Titanium 4 plus. Titanium 4 plus. Please solve, dear students. Titanium 4 plus. Anybody solve, dear students? Titanium 4 plus, is it diamagnetic or paramagnetic?
Diamagnetic.
Diamagnetic, colorless, magnetic moment 0. Good. So you know very well, titanium atomic number 22, 22, argon core 4s2 3d2, titanium plus 4, titanium plus 4, argon core 4s0, 4s0, 3d0, lose 4 electron, first from 4s, remaining 2 electron from 3d. So no unpaired electron in the d energy level. No unpaired electron. Number of unpaired electrons are 0. Then diamagnetic, exhibit colorless. Okay. Then magnetic moment. Magnetic moment mu equal to square root of n into n plus 2. Bohr magneton. Square root of 0 into 0 plus 2. 0 Bohr magneton. Okay now. Titanium 22, argon core 4s3d2. Titanium plus 4 means lose 4 electron. 2 electron from 4s, 2 electron from 3d. The 2 loss ho gaya, remaining 2 from 3d. Then no unpaired electron. Number of unpaired electron 0. Diamagnetic and colorless. Magnetic moment also 0. Madam, okay now? Next. Nickel 2 plus, please solve dear students. Ni 2 plus. Without knowing the configuration, we could not solve any question. These type of questions. Ni 2 plus. Yes. Ni2 plus. Nickel 28. Argon core 4s2 3d8 nickel. Ni2 plus. Argon core 4s0 3d8. 4s0 3d8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. D8 है ना? Understood? D8 means इधर 5 हो गया. 6, 7, 8. D8. Then number of unpaired electrons are 2. Paramagnetic and exhibit some color. Exhibit color. Any doubt? Its magnetic moment. Magnetic moment mu equal to square root of n into n plus 2 Bohr magneton. Then root over 2 into 2 plus 2. Root 8. Root 8 means 2.83 Bohr magneton. Okay now? These model questions are very important, dear students. Karan, okay now?
Yes, sir.
सर
Yes, ask me, madam.
सर और एक एग्जांपल लीजिए ना सर.
Definitely I will give, madam. एक नहीं दो देता हूँ, टेंशन मत ले लो, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन आते रहे. Dear students, without knowing the configuration, you could not solve anything. Scandium to Zn, you must learn. Yesterday मैं बताया ना आपको. Okay. cobalt 3 plus cobalt 3 plus cobalt 27 argon core 4s2 3d7. This is the cobalt. Cobalt 3 plus cobalt 3 plus argon core 4h0 3d6 d6 1 2 3 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 d6. The number of unpaired electrons are 4. Understood, dear students? Paramagnetic and exhibit color. Magnetic moment mu equal to square root of n into n plus 2 Bohr magneton. You know very well, 4 into 4 plus 2 root 24 4.89 of freedom. Understood? Dear students, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next. Listen, my dear students. Classification of elements into blocks based on electronic configuration: S block, P block, D block, and F block. Up to D block completed. Last point from the D block. D block elements can form complex compounds, right? Now, D block elements can form D block elements can form complex compounds D block elements can form complex compounds due to small atomic size and high nuclear charge. D block elements can form complex compound due to small atomic size and high nuclear charge. This one periodic properties में discuss करेंगे. Next. Yeah, block elements. If the differentiating electron, enter into f orbital of anti-penultimate orbit, then the elements belongs to a block. The differentiating electron enter into f orbital of anti-penultimate orbit, then the elements belongs to f. Okay. General electronic configuration. This is the nucleus, first orbit, second orbit, third, fourth, fifth, like this. Ultimate, penultimate, anti-penultimate. This is the n minus 1, n minus 2. So that's why general electronic configuration n minus 2, f1 to 14, n minus 1, d0 to 1, ns 1 to 2. General electronic configuration of a block elements. What are the block elements? If the differentiating electron enter into f orbital of anti-penultimate orbit, then the elements belongs to a block. General electronic configuration n minus 2 f1 to 14, n minus 1 d0 to 1, ns 1 to 2. Okay. Next. Any doubt, dear students? F block consists of two series. F block consists of two series, 4F series. These are lanthanides. 5F series. These are actinides. Actinides. Lanthanides and actinides. This is atomic number 58 to 71, 90 to 103. Atomic number 90 to 103. A block consists of two series, 4F series and 5F series. 4F series lanthanides, 5F series actinides. Lanthanides are rare earth elements. Lanthanides are called rare earth elements. Lanthanides are called rare earth elements. Actinides. In actinides, after uranium elements, called transuranic elements. In actinides, after uranium elements called transuranic elements. Okay. Transuranic elements. All actinides are radioactive elements. All actinides are radioactive elements. So a block elements called inner transition elements. These are inner transition elements. D block elements are transition elements. completed. The differentiating electron enter into f orbital of anti-penultimate orbit, then the elements belongs to f block. General electronic configuration n-2 f124 n-1d 0 to 1 ns1 to 2. A block consists of two series, lanthanides, actinides. There is 4f and 5f series. Right? Lanthanides 58 to 71, actinides 90 to 103. Lanthanides are called rare earth elements. In actinides, up to uranium elements called transuranic elements. All actinides are radioactive elements. Okay. This is classification of elements based on electronic configuration, dear students. Next. Classification of elements based on properties. Classification of elements based on properties. Okay. Classification of elements based on properties. The first one. Yes, you know very well. This is a long form periodic table. Dear students, listen carefully. This is a long form periodic table. S block, P block, D block. This is the F block. This is the F block. The first one is representative elements. First one is representative elements. Classification of elements based on properties. The first one is representative elements. All S and P block elements are representative elements except zero group. My point understood, dear students? All S and P block elements are representative elements except zero group. This is first year, this is second year. P block means third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, not zero group elements. Any doubt is there? Any doubt? That's why all S and P block elements, representative elements, all S and P block elements called representative elements. All S and P block elements called representative elements. All S and P block elements called representative elements. Except zero group. Except zero group. All S and P block elements called representative elements except zero group. Any doubt? All S and P block elements called representative elements except zero group. Listen, my dear students. अरे S block है तो S block elements general electronic configuration, tell me. S block elements general electronic configuration.
NS1 to 2.
NS1 to 2. P block elements general electronic configuration.
NS1.
1 to 6. 1 to 6. Listen, my dear students. Either NS to NP6 is a zero group configuration. Except helium, that is different. Zero group configuration. Except this configuration, all elements are included because all S and P block elements called representative elements except zero group elements. That's why what is the general electronic configuration? general electronic configuration, NS2 NP NS1 to 2 NP 0 to 5. Understood, dear students, this one? Only NS1 NP0 है तो first group, NS2 NP0 है तो second group, NS2 NP1 है तो third, NS2 NP2 है तो fourth, NS2 NP3 है तो fifth, NS2 NP4 है तो sixth, NS2 NP5 है तो seventh. No NS2 NP6 because that is zero group configuration. Understood what I am writing? Understood? General
Yes.
electronic configuration NS1 to 2 NP0 to 5. All SMT block elements. So that's why again properties means S block and P block except zero group properties. You can write any property. Main point. Next, the second one, inert gases. Inert gases. Yes, inert gases means noble gases. Zero group elements. Zero group elements. Zero group elements. So helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Helium configuration is 1s2. 1s2. Okay. So that's why except helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, NS2, NP6. General electronic configuration, NS2, NP6, except helium. Helium configuration 1s2, duplet configuration. Remaining all inert gases outermost orbit, 8 electrons are there, octet configuration. So classification of elements based on properties, representative elements, inert gases. Third one, transition elements. Already we did this one. Transition elements. Fourth one, inner transition elements. Inner transition elements. Already we done this one. Transition elements and inner transition elements. Transition elements means all D block elements. All D block elements except secondary group element. Property is same. Inner transition elements means all F block elements are inner transition elements. Configuration, everything same. Okay now? Classification of elements based on electronic configuration, representative elements, inert gases, transition elements and inner transition elements. Okay. Next. Dear students, today you have to complete theory from page number 66 to 72. Theory you must complete line to line, 66 to 72. And page number 84, long form periodic table is there from our material. long form periodic table. Okay. Page number 66 to 72 theory you have to complete. Page number 84 long form periodic table is there. At least you should learn elements S and P block elements today. Okay, clarity आया ना आपका वर्क का? Okay ना?
Yes, sir.
Next. Now I would like to discuss some questions based on this classification of elements. Right. Level 1.
Sir,
हाँ मैडम बताओ.
सर जब हम एक्सेप्ट जीरो ग्रुप कहते हैं दैट मीन्स उसको छोड़ के ना.
What madam? Except zero group?
ये जब हम कहते हैं दैट मीन्स अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट थिंग ना.
No, you are asking me except zero group you are telling now?
Yes, sir.
No, you are asking for learning purpose.
Yes, sir. What's the meaning of except zero group? That means उसको छोड़ के यही होता है ना.
Yes, except zero group, all S and P block elements are representative elements.
Get it, sir.
समझ में आया ना?
So,
Yes, sir.
ask me Karan.
so पैरामैग्नेटिक और डायमैग्नेटिक का डिफरेंस बताओ ना.
Actually, diamagnetic substances which are repelled by external magnetic field. Repulsion. Repelled by external magnetic field. Paramagnetic substances are weakly attracted by external magnetic field. Attraction कैसे होते हैं? If it is charge is there, then attracted. Charge कैसे आते हैं? Off unpaired electron required. Unpaired electron है तो either plus of or minus. समझ में आया ना?
Yes, sir.
Right. आप ऑलरेडी थियरी में पढ़ाई किया देखो रे. Based on from theory. Page number 85, question number 1. Page number 85, question number 1. ये पढ़ाई किया तो इजी होते रहे. दिस वन देखो. Lothar-Meyer obtained the curve for the known element by plotting their atomic volume against atomic. Lothar-Meyer curve. theory पढ़ाई किया ना आप. Lothar-Meyer curve. The flat drawn graph between atomic volume and atomic mass. Atomic volume and atomic mass. Understood? Dear students, okay na?
Yes, sir.
If you see Lothar-Meyer plotted the physical properties of such as atomic volume, melting point and boiling point against the atomic weight and obtained periodically repeated pattern. Conclusion also given देखो. So, Lothar-Meyer, according to Lothar-Meyer, flat drawn graph between atomic volume and atomic mass. This one. Atomic volume, atomic mass, atomic volume and atomic mass. 1 minute. Not sufficient. Okay. Atomic volume and atomic mass. Atomic mass. Atomic volume, atomic mass. Alkali metal having largest atomic volumes occupied by the maximum of the curve. So if you take this curve, this one like this. something ऐसे actually कार्बन में बताया वैसे like this. So if you see this one, this is the lithium, this is the sodium, this is the potassium, this is the rubidium, this is the cesium YC. Understood? Understood, dear students? Alkali metals having the largest atomic volumes occupying the maximum of the curve. Yes, maximum of the curve. Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, वैसे वैसे cesium. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Alkaline earth metals occupy the midpoint position on the descending portion of the curve. This is the descending portion, midpoint. This one, somewhere this one, somewhere this one. This is the beryllium, this is the magnesium, this is the calcium, strontium. Okay. सर नेक्स्ट alkaline metal किधर है? वैसे कंटिन्यू किया था ग्राफ में आते हैं हमको. ओके ना? Halogens occupy the position on ascending position of the curve before inert gases. So inert gases इधर रहते हैं. Helium, neon, argon, krypton वैसे. So before inert gases here halogens रहते हैं. Halogens रहते हैं. Okay. Fluorine, argon. Okay. Chlorine होने के बाद argon. Chlorine, bromine, this one, bromine. Understood, dear students?
Sir, repeat again, sir.
Definitely, I will repeat it. According to Lothar-Meyer curve, the flat ground graph between atomic volumes. This is atomic volume. This is atomic mass. This is the volume, atomic volume. This is the atomic mass, like this. Okay, I could not write enough this one. Huh? If you want to write, we can write continuous graph. Okay, now maximum volume occupied by alkali metals: lithium, sodium, potassium. Next, rubidium, cesium, like this. Understood? Okay, now. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Alkaline earth metals occupy the midpoint position in the descending order. Midpoint descending order, this one. This is the descending order. This is the alkaline earth metals. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, like this. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Next. Halogens occupy the position on the ascending portion of the curve before inert gases. This is inert gas. Helium, neon, argon. Next, potassium. Helium, neon, argon. Krypton आते वैसे. Understood? Halogens occupy before inert gases in the ascending order. This is the ascending order. Before inert gases means maybe somewhere here. Fluorine. Somewhere here. Fluorine. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
This complete bottom line is there, that is the transition elements. Transition elements occupy the minimum of the curve. This is the minimum of the curve. Somewhere here, all are transition. Understood?
Yes, sir. Thanks.
Theory पढ़ाई करने वाले हैं आप लोग, okay? Right. So the next question. Question number 1 is completed. Question number 1 में क्या दिया? Lothar-Meyer obtained the curve for the known elements by plotting their atomic volumes against atomic masses. The answer is second. Next. In Lothar-Meyer plot, the peaks are occupied by, which are occupied peaks? Alkali metal, alkaline earth metal, halogens, noble gases. Which is occupied maximum peak?
Alkali metals.
Alkali metals. The law of triad is applicable to a group of four options given. Which group can applicable law of triads? Law of triads. पढ़ाई नहीं कर रहे आप? आराम से रेस्ट लिया है थी. First option chlorine, bromine, iodine. Second option carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, sodium, potassium, rubidium. Okay. Fourth option hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen. This one is a law of triads. रे पढ़ाई किया नहीं किया? Average atomic weight of 1 and 3 which is equal to atomic weight of second element. Then these three elements
Chlorine.
have similar properties. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right. Atomic number of element UNQ. Tell me, anybody tell me UNQ.
104.
104 means un, nil, quad, IUM. UNQ means 104. 0 है तो nil, 1 है तो un, 2 है तो bi, 3 है तो tri, 4 है तो quad, 5 है तो pent, 6 है तो hex, 7 है तो sept, 8 है तो oct, 9 है तो n. Okay. Next. Problem number 5. The basis for the classification of elements, the modern periodic table is modern periodic table based on electronic configuration. Mendeleev periodic table है तो physical and chemical properties of the elements, periodic functions of their atomic weights. Modern periodic table means physical and chemical properties of the elements, periodic functions of their atomic numbers or electronic configuration. Yes, electronic configuration answer is given. Then answer first one. Electronic configuration. Sixth one. Considering the chemical properties of atomic weight of beryllium was corrected based on valency. Atomic weight calculation based on valency. Mendeleev corrected the atomic weight of beryllium. देखो theory में. Question number 8. Anomalous pair in Mendeleev table is cobalt and
Nickel.
nickel. डायरेक्ट आते आप कुछ भी नहीं देखते मटेरियल. एका सिलिकॉन is now called as
Germanium.
एका बोरॉन अरे एका बोरॉन है तो नेम क्या है?
Scandium.
स्कैंडियम. पढ़ाई किया ना वो लाइंस. The atomic weight of beryllium and indium were calculated by Mendeleev using the formula. Atomic weight equal to equivalent weight into valency rate. Okay na? Atomic weight equal to equivalent weight into valence. The plot of root mu versus z. You know this is the Moseley's equation I want to discuss. Problem number 11. Root mu equal to a into z minus b. Root mu equal to az minus ab. This is the y, this is the root mu equal to za minus ab. This is the y, this is the m, this is the along the x-axis z. This is the y, this is the m, this is the x, this is the c. Y equal to mx plus. This is the root mu. This one y. Along the x-axis z. M is the slope, positive slope. This is the slope. Slope equal to a. Straight line, exponential curve, hyperbolic curve with negative slope. Straight line है ना? Understood?
Yes, sir.
The longest and shortest periods are, good question yeah. In first period how many elements are there? 1 minute. First period आपको पता है ना long form period table देखो otherwise देखो page number 84 is there. First period how many elements are there? Vertical columns are periods, horizontal rows are periods, vertical columns are groups. In first period 2 elements, hydrogen and helium. Either hydrogen is there, either helium is there. Okay now?
Yes, sir.
So shortest period is the first period. Longest period is the sixth period. First period 2, second period 8, third period 8. Okay? Sixth period how many elements?
18.
32. मैं बताता हूँ देखो रे. Dear students, please listen carefully. This point is very important. First period 2 elements, second period 8, third period 8. देखो, one minute. First period 2 elements. इधर हाइड्रोजन हीलियम देखो. Second period क्या है? Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon 8. Third period also 8. Fourth period 18. Fifth period 18. Sixth period हम क्या सोचते हैं? Sir 18. Sixth period means this one है ना cesium. Understood रे? Cesium to radon 55 to 86. Generally what we are expecting sir only these 18 elements है ना but इधर lanthanum atomic number 57 is there देखो. अरे understood or not? आप देख रहे हैं नहीं देख रहे?
Yes, sir.
अरे lanthanum 57 है तो after 57 14 elements are lanthanum means these 18 plus 14 कितने elements?
32.
So that's why my point is first period 2, second period 8, third period 8, fourth, fifth 18, sixth period 32. Seventh period is the incomplete. Understood? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Theory पढ़ाई करने वाले हैं हाँ? Right. Next problem. General electronic configuration of elements of carbon family. Nikita, carbon family electronic configuration.
NS2NP.
NS2NP.
2.
Correct. Fourth group elements. अरे first NS2NP4 दिया, sixth group NS2NP3, NS2NP1 NS2NP2. Starting element of fifth period is Samruddhi. Starting element of fifth period is देख के बताओ no problem यार.
Rubidium.
Is the starting element. Period means horizontal row ना. Horizontal row रे.
Rubidium.
Which of these does not reflect the periodicity of the elements? Actually, we have to discuss next concept, periodic properties. Right? Atomic size, ionization potential, electronegativity, electropositivity, nature of metal oxides. No? Neutron-proton ratio is not a periodicity. Okay, na? N by P ratio. N by P ratio, neutron-proton ratio. 16. Atomicity of noble gases. Noble gases, this one. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Atomicity, one only, one atom. अरे phosphorus है तो P4, atomicity 4. Sulfur है तो S8, atomicity 1 like this. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Atomicity 1. Okay. Atomicity, it's 1. Any doubt? Shall I go to next question?
Yes.
And the element with atomic number 19. Atomic number 19, which element, which group?
Halogen.
19.
First
Potassium
group.
19. The element with atomic number 19, which group?
First group.
First group. First group means alkali metal. Understood? Shraddha, understood? Shraddha, okay now? Shruti? Shrutika?
Yes, sir.
Okay. थोड़ा concentrate करो madam. Next problem. A pair of atomic numbers which belongs to S block. अरे S block है तो आपको पता है ना, this one hydrogen 1, lithium 3, sodium 11, potassium 19, rubidium 37, cesium 55, francium 87, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium 4, 12, 20, 38, 56, 88. Then which is the answer based on this one? Question number 18. Question number 18. A
Fourth
pair,
one.
3 and 4, 12 है ना? Fourth option है ना? A pair of atomic numbers which belongs to S block. What are that one? 3 and 12. Any doubt? 3 and 12 है ना?
Yes, sir.
Question number 19, I will explain. Two, three people, they don't have material. Today I will send WhatsApp to our group. Okay, theory based on. Right. Question number 19. The element with electron configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d10, 4s2, 4p5 belongs to which period, which group? Dear students, please concentrate on element configuration given 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d10, 4s2, 4p5. Last orbit ns to np5 configuration. This is the p block. Last orbit which is equal to period number. Period which period? Fourth period. Understood? Last orbit electrons. Group number 2 plus 5, 7. Seventh group. Differentiating electron. Last electron enters. PR block. Last electron enters PR block. That's why P block. Dear students, समझ में आया ना? While writing configuration, last orbit number is period number. Last orbit electron is group number. Last electron enter into. Last electron is this electron. 2, 4, 18, 20, 26, 36, 38, 43. 43rd electron enter into PR block. Any doubt? Then what is the answer?
Third option.
Third one.
Fourth period, seventh group, seventh year. Any doubt, dear students? Last orbit period number, last orbit electron group number, last electron enter which orbital PR. For example, I will write one more configuration. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. Tell me which period? Which period?
Fourth.
Fourth period.
Fourth period.
Fourth period.
Last orbit. Orbit number fourth orbit. Fourth period. Which group?
Second.
Second.
Second group. Because in the fourth orbit, 2 electrons. Second group. Which block?
S.
S block.
S block. Good. Karan, okay now? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p6, 5s2, 5p1. Tell me now. That element belongs to which period?
Fifth.
Fifth.
Period. Which group?
Third.
Yes. Last orbit is the fifth orbit. 2 plus 1, 3 electrons. Third group. Which block?
P. P block.
Okay. Question number 20. Question number 20. The element with ns2 np4 as outer configuration. Array ns2 np4 as outer configuration. ns2 np4 है तो which group? Sixth group है ना? ns2 np4 as outer configuration. 2 plus 4 6. Sixth group. Sixth group elements are called
Chalcogens.
chalcogens. अरे हम डिस्कस किया देखो यार. फर्स्ट ईयर ग्रुप एलिमेंट alkyl metal, second year group element alkene earth metal, third group boron family, fourth group carbon family, fifth group nitrogen family. Nitrogen family another name for nitrogen family?
Nicogens.
Nicogens. Sixth group elements oxygen family. Oxygen family another name chalcogens. Chalco means mineral, gen means source. These elements obtained from mineral source. Seventh group elements halogens. Okay now? Any doubt? Right. Seventh group halogens, zero group elements. 21. If the differentiating electron entered into n-1 d sublevels, the element belongs to
Transition elements.
transition elements. Transition element को differentiating electron enter into. अरे this is the nucleus. First orbit, second, third, fourth, sixth, n-1, n-2. Ultimate, penultimate, anti-penultimate. Differentiating electron enter into d orbital of penultimate, d block. Differentiating electron enter into f orbital of anti-penultimate, f block. Any doubt? (22) Atoms with 3 of their outermost orbits incompletely filled with electrons are present in. Good question, yeah. Lanthanides are 4f series. This is the nucleus. First orbit, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. This is the ns, n minus 1, n minus 2, f. The d. Array lanthanides means differentiating electron entry into f orbital of anti-penultimate orbital. Then the elements belongs to f block elements, lanthanides. Understood, Ray? This one, तीनों भी incomplete fill होते हैं. देखो. Lanthanides and actinides. Next. Question number 23. Question number 23. The name of the element with atomic number 100 was adopted in honor of Hendrik Fermi. Atomic number 100. Atomic number 100. Fermium actually. Adopted in the honor of Hendrik Fermi name. Okay. Next. Question number 24. Question number 24. Inner transition elements exhibit different colored compounds and account of unfilled. Tell me, Ray. Transition elements exhibit variable colors
F.
due to incomplete d orbital. Means unfilled d orbital. Inner transition elements say then which orbital?
F.
F.
The total number of elements in the group 11 is. In the group 11, how many elements? Group 11 पता है आपको? Tell me group. अरे long form period टेबल देख के बताओ यार. आपके पास बुक है ना? देखो. How many elements?
3.
What are the elements?
Copper, silver, and gold.
Yes, copper, silver, gold. देखो ना इधर. अरे इधर देखो यार. इधर long form period टेबल देखो ना. Copper, silver, gold. हमारा material में CA given, not CA, 29 CU. Okay. Next. The atomic number of elements second transition series in the line range of. अरे first transition series means d block elements. किधर से चालू होते हैं? First d block elements, 3D series. देखो मैं बताता हूँ. S block, P block, D block, F block. Okay, D block इधर 3D series, 4D series, 5D series, 6D series. First transition, second transition, third transition, fourth transition. Understood, dear students? Understood, dear students? 3D series from scandium to Zn. Scandium to Zn. 3D series from scandium to Zn. Means 21 to 30. 21 to 30, 3D series, first transition series. Second transition series, which is started from 39 to 48. 39 to 48. Either 39 yttrium, why? 48 is the cadmium. Understood? Any doubt? Any doubt? 26, okay? (27) Atomic number of next inert gas to be discovered will be. Good question. Inert gas: helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. 2, 10, 18, 36, 54, 86, 86 and 32. Next you have to add again 32. 86 को 32 ऐड किया तो कितना ही? 118. The next element is 118. You have to add 32. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Question number 28. The element with atomic number 12 belongs to dash group and dash period. Atomic number 12. Atomic number 12, Z12. Configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. 3s2. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. Period. Third. Group. Which group? Second A group. There are 2 electrons. Almost orbital. Understood, dear students? Are magnesium have that one. Any doubt?
सर
हाँ बताओ मैडम.
सर अगर क्रिप्टन कोर 4d7 एंड 5s2 होता है इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन तो उसका ग्रुप और पीरियड क्या होगा?
Which one बताओ?
क्रिप्टन कोर है और 4d7 5s2.
This one है ना?
यस सर.
This is the D block element है ना? This is the D block element है ना? ns2 n-1 d है ना? This is the D block, differentiating electron entered into d orbital of penultimate orbital, D block. मैडम ओके ना?
हाँ सर ग्रुप कैसे पता चलेगा फिर?
टोटल ns and n-1 d इलेक्ट्रॉन कितने हैं? 7 + 2 9. 9th है तो एक मिनट हाँ. This one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. Either scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt है तो इधर एक मिनट. निकेल, copper, zinc. इधर group which you are asking group ना मैडम?
यस सर.
Vertical column this one. Vertical column है तो this one cobalt 9th मैडम.
अच्छा अच्छा.
समझ में आया ना?
यस सर.
That is the D block. D block कहते हैं ns and n-1 d electrons count करना. Which period?
फिफ्थ पीरियड.
Fifth period. Last orbit, fifth orbit. But which block? D block. Differentiating. Last electron entered into d orbital of penultimate. So fifth period, D block, 9th group. That's why एक बार पूरा पीरियड टेबल पढ़ाई किया था आपको इजी होते हैं. अदरवाइज क्या है? Right. So let's go to next question.
यस सर.
Elements which generally exhibit variable oxidation state and form colored ions are. अरे कल डिस्कस किया ना. Transition elements. D block elements exhibit variable oxidation state and different colored ions due to presence of unpaired electron in d orbital. DD transition. Then what is the answer? What is the answer? 29.
ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट्स.
Question number 30. Tejas, question number 30. Cerium 58 is a member of. आज डिस्कस किया देखो रे. Cerium 58, atomic number 58 to 71 lanthanides. Lanthanides are belongs to which block?
F block.
A block, yes. A block. Good, good. No problem. एक बार पढ़ाई किया तो easy है these questions. A block. The outermost orbit of an element X is partially filled with electrons in S and P subcells. Then that element is S and partially filled with electrons in S and P subcells. Then the element is representative elements, है ना? अरे representative elements how to start with? First group ले लो NS1 incomplete. Fourth group ले लो NS2 NP2. Either P incomplete, either S incomplete. First group. This is the fourth group. Either first group or fourth group belongs to which one? Represent, है ना? All S and P block elements are representative elements except
zero group.
Question number 32. Question number 32. Which is the atomic number of another element present in the same group as the element with atomic number 13? Z13. Z13. 13 means aluminium ring. That group एक बार check करो क्या इसमें? Z13. Z13 means aluminium. Aluminium means third group है ना? Boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. 5, 13, 39, 39. 39 plus 32, 18.
Sir, gallium
5,
13.
8, 13, 13 plus 18, 39, 39 plus 18.
फोडलं होतं तेव्हा मटेरियल आणलं होतं आम्ही.
Okay.
हा देवळा मोरचोवर
सर गैलियम 31
ट्रॅक्टर वर आहेत.
रोहित आपका म्यूट करो आपका फोन, आवाज आ रहा है दूसरा.
Right. Boron 5, aluminium 13, gallium 31, 31 plus 18, 49. 49 plus 32,
81
81. Then atomic number which is given here, 49 option is there now. Which is the atomic number of another element present in the same group as the element with Z13? Z13 means atomic number 13. Atomic number 13 same group means either 5 or 31 or 49 or 81. Option में 49 is there देखो.
49.
Then third answer. है ना third answer. Okay. Right. So classification of elements questions up to 32 ray. 33 again this one radius based on ray. Concept is not completed from level 1. Now level 2. Level 2. Level 2 how many questions are there? Only 10 questions complete करेंगे. Only 10 questions are there. We will complete. Okay, right. Page number 90. Page number 90. Question number 1. Question number 1. The following are some statements about Mendeleev's periodic table. Mendeleev's periodic table. It is based on increasing order of atomic numbers. Is it right? It is based on increasing order of atomic numbers. Is it right?
No.
No. It is based on atomic weights, you know. So first statement is wrong. Second statement देखो. Mendeleev corrected the atomic weight of some elements like beryllium and indium, etc. Right or not? Mendeleev corrected some element atomic weights, beryllium and indium, based on atomic weight equal to equivalent weight into valence, you know.
Yes, sir.
Second statement correct. Third statement. Argon, hydrogen, cobalt, chlorine, tellurium, fluorine are three inverted pairs.
No. Argon with potassium
Argon, potassium, correct.
and cobalt with nickel.
हाँ एक मिनट मैं बताता हूँ सर. What are inverted pairs, sir? What are inverted pairs? Sir, inverted pairs means आपको Mendeleev periodic table पता है ना? Mendeleev periodic table. What is the statement for Mendeleev periodic table? The physical and chemical properties of the elements, periodic functions of their atomic weights. If you are taking, this is the argon, this is the potassium. आर्गन से पोटेशियम ज्यादा वेट होना चाहिए, बट पोटेशियम 39, आर्गन 39.976. सो अरे आर्गन से पोटेशियम ज्यादा होना चाहिए, बट पोटेशियम वेट कम है, दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज कॉल्ड इन्वर्टेड. समझ में आया माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स? Mainly periodic table constructed based on physical and chemical properties of the element, periodic functions of their atomic weights, increasing order of atomic weights. आर्गन से पोटेशियम ज्यादा होना चाहिए, बट पोटेशियम कम है, दिस इज इन्वर्टेड पेन. बोलो समझ में आया ना?
Yes, sir.
So that's why argon, potassium, cobalt, nickel, tellurium and iodine. Okay na? Correct pair, but it is the wrong theory. Third one. Fourth one correct there again. It is based on increasing order of atomic weights. Then which is the correct statements?
2 and 4.
2 and 4. Good. Question number 2. Which of the following pair of atoms have same number of electrons in the outermost orbit? Dear students, listen carefully. Same number of electrons in the outermost orbit means which belongs to same group. Fluorine, bromine, right? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. This belongs to 7th group. Outermost orbit 7, 9, 17, 35, 53 like this. 9 means 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. 7 electrons. 7 means 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. 7 electrons. Then answer is chlorine and bromine, no? Even bromine also.
Chlorine, bromine.
4s2, 4p5. Chlorine, bromine. Question number 3. Question number 3. The electronic configuration of an element is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. The atomic number of element which is just below the above element in the periodic table. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3 means which element? One s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2.
Phosphorus.
Huh? This is which element?
Phosphorus.
Phosphorus, good. 2, 4, 10, 12, 15. 15 means phosphorus, good. 15 phosphorus. Either nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. 50 group elements, है ना? 15 plus 18 कितना dear students? 33. 33 plus 18, 51. 51 plus 33, 18. Then answer बताओ.
वो तो ऑप्शन 30.
33.
33, right. Question number 4. Question number 4. The element present in the third A group and the third period in the periodic table is aluminium, है ना? Aluminium है, क्योंकि देखो configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. This is the aluminium. Period third group. Sorry, 3s2, 3p1. Last orbit period. Last orbit electrons 3. That's the group 3. Period third, group 3. Any doubt? Any doubt? समझ में आया ना? Question number 5. The long form of periodic table is nothing but just a graphical representation of dash principle. अरे long form periodic table filling of electron from lower range level to high range level. अरे lower range level to high range level is principle.
of Bohr.
In the sixth period, the orbital being filled up. Sixth period. This is 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s, 7s, 8s. 2p, 3p, 4p, 5p, 6p, 7p. 3d, 4d, 5d, 6d. 4f, 5f. Okay? Okay? Right. Sixth period. अरे इधर सिक्स्थ पीरियड किधर से चालू होते हैं? 6s से चालू होते हैं कॉन्फ़िगरेशन. 6s, 4f, 5d, 6p. Then which is the answer?
Fourth.
6s, 4f, 5d, 6p. Otherwise आप इलेक्ट्रॉन फिल करके काउंट करो. Sixth period. Sixth period means that is from which element एक बार check करो. Sixth period means this is the hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. 1, 3, 11, 19, 37, 55. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 55 से चालू होते हैं. 55 from 6s से चालू होते हैं. 6s से 55. सर कैसे देखो? 2, 4, 10, 12, 18, 20, 30, 36, 38, 48, 48 plus 6, 54. इधर से 55. 55 means sixth period. Understood, dear students? Understood?
Yes, sir.
So cesium 55. 55 में किधर से चालू होते हैं? 6s से. 6s होने के बाद 4d, 5p. Sorry, 6s होने के बाद 4f, 5d, 6p. So then answer is fourth option. Fourth option. Any doubt? Right. She is asking sir fourth question. Fourth question I once again explain. Yes, I will explain on fourth question. अरे fourth question में क्या दिया है? The element present in third year group and third period of the periodic table. Once again I am explaining fourth question. For example, carbon given. Carbon 6. 6 से तो क्या है? 1s to 2s to 2p2. So last orbit, second orbit. Period second. Period second. Group. अरे group क्या है? Either two. 4 electrons. 4. So fourth group. Understood, madam?
Yes, sir.
Phosphorus 15, madam. 15 है तो क्या है? 1s to 2s to 2p6, 3s to 3p3. Group period third. Period third. Group 2 plus 3, 5. Fifth group. Cobalt 27. 1s to 2s to 2p6, 3s to 3p6, 4s to 3d7. last orbit, fourth orbit, period 4, but this is the d block elements, differentiating electron d orbital of penultimate orbit. So 2 plus 7, 9, ninth group 9. Understood? This is the d block rate, differentiating electron entering to d orbital of penultimate orbit. 4 plus 2 plus 7, 9, group 9. Any doubt? Next, aluminium. Aluminium 13, yeah. Aluminium 13. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p1. Period 3. Group also 3. Because last orbit, third orbit, that's why period 3. 2 plus 1, 3 electron. Group 3. Any doubt, madam?
No, sir.
Next. Question number 7. Question number 7. The number of valence electrons that can be present in the second element of any period. Second element of any period. The number of valence electrons that can be present in the second element of any period. If we can take period, second element. This is the hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. This is the first period, second period, third period, fourth period, fifth period, sixth period, seventh period. Second element means idhar aate beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. अरे beryllium है तो 4 यार, 1s2, 2s2. Magnesium है तो 12, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 आते. इधर क्या है 4s2 आते. Then last orbit how many electrons are there?
2.
2 electrons. Understood?
Yes, sir.
The number of valence electrons that can be present in the second element of any period. Second element of any period. This is the group. This is the group. This is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Second element of. Any doubt? Question number 8. At room temperature, liquid metal and liquid non-metal. Good question here. Liquid metal is mercury. Liquid non-metal is bromine. Okay now? Which of the following contains same number of elements? Good question here, this one. Which of the following contains same number of elements? Okay now? Right. Which of the following contains same number of elements in the group and period? Excellent question here, this one. एक मिनट ना, आप लॉन्ग फॉर्म पीरियड टेबल एक बार देखो जी. सिक्स्थ पीरियड देखो, सिक्स्थ पीरियड. दिस क्वेश्चन थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट, थोड़ा कंसंट्रेट करो रे. सिक्स्थ पीरियड हाउ मेनी एलिमेंट्स आर देयर? अरे बताओ यार.
32.
क्योंकि अरे 55 to 86, 32 elements are there. क्योंकि इधर lanthanides also there ना, including lanthanides है ना. इधर 18 lanthanides are 14. 18 plus 14 कितने मैडम? 32. And third B group. Third B group means देखो रे, vertical column scandium, yttrium, lanthanum, actinium, 4 elements. Again, lanthanide 14 elements, actinides 14. 14 plus 14, 28. 28 plus 4, 30. So that's why 6th period, third B group, third group. Understood, dear students?
Yes, sir.
Once again I will repeat, don't worry. Third group देखो रे, third group में क्या है? Scandium, yttrium, lanthanum, actinium. कितना elements? 14. But lanthanum means after lanthanum 14. Lanthanum 14 elements इधर भी include होते हैं. ब्लॉक में रखा but actual position इधर. Lanthanum 14, actinides 14. 14 plus 14, 28. 28 plus 4, 30. Vertical column. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Even period definitely 32. That's why, what is your exact answer? What is your answer? 6th period and third B group. 6th period and third B group. Question number 10. The statement that is false for the long form of the periodic table is. The statement that is false for the long form of the periodic table is. It reflects a sequence of filling the electrons in order to sub-energy levels SPDF. Correct है ना? Long form periodic table हम लिखा ना भी SPDF in order to filling हो जाते हैं. It helps to predict the stable valence states of the elements. No. अरे valence, stable valence how we can know from the long form periodic table? No. Simply valence we know. Whether it is stable or unstable we don't know. First group element valence 1, second group 2, okay, but stable, this is not stable valence. That's why this is a not correct statement. Second statement is not correct. Third statement, it reflects trends in physical and chemical properties of the elements. Yes, physical and chemical properties reflect on them. It helps to predict the relative ionicity of the bond between any two elements. Yes, we know whether it is ionic or covalent based on electronegativity. Actually, periodic properties complete किया तो आपको 100% this question clarity आता है. In the periodic properties, atomic size, ionization potential, electronegativity, electron positivity. If you know the electronegativity, we can decide whether it is ionic or covalent. Understood? So question number 10, it helps to predict the stable valence states of the elements. No valency, but whether it is stable or unstable, we don't know. From the long form periodic table. That's why which is the wrong statement?
Second.
Okay.